everybody, it's Paula from Paula's Primary Classroom. Today I thought I'd show you my Halloween tangrams that we've been working on. Each set of my tangrams comes with this tangram printout in it. That's 2 sets of 7 tangrams. And if you've got big kids, they can cut those out for themselves. But if you've got smaller children that don't have the scissor skills yet, I like to cut my shapes out and have those prepped for them. I just paper clip them together. Then our pictures come with both a full color version and an easier outline version. So for the smaller kiddos, just figuring out how to match the shapes onto the outlines and turn them and get them correctly oriented is a lot of work and enough of a challenge. But if it's not, they can flip them over and do the more complex pictures, as you can see here. So I hope you and your kiddos give tangrams a try. They are a lot of fun. Have a great day. Bye-bye.